So Daddy is getting honeybees and putting them in our hives.
Yep. And they're not.
In our hives.
They sting, but they never, like, it's really rare.
So the bees, there's only that hive right there has bees in it. That hive right there
Pretty cool, huh?
has bees in it. That's where we're getting the.
You get a little chilly.
That's where we're getting the bees out of. That box right there. So then that hive only has one thing yet. Now that one's
they put this.
got tons.
They put this
four.
stuff on the
Four
side.
left. That one.
It's kind of like glue.
Yeah, it's a lot like glue.
Then there's two more boxes.
They use that to
for
kind
the
of,
other
because normally,
hives.
and when they're in the wild, they don't have like a box like this to get, right? So they have to make a bunch of.
There's a ton
They
of
have
bees
to make
in
a
there. I
bunch
don't know,
of.
maybe like.
They have to glue everything together. So you see all
like,
this stuff on the side right
I
here?
think 2,000
on my
something.
finger? That's basically, it's called propolis. It's basically glue and it clings everything together. That's why it's hard to get them out of there.
Then that's one of the
This one is, but the other one was
taking
wood.
them in. That's one that
What are they
he's
called?
taking in. There.
Frames.
I have
See, there's more babies. Those are all sealed babies. Mostly sealed babies.
And then, so yeah, that's
We
them.
like honeybees.
These are honeybees.
So important. Yeah, they are very important. I know.
And so he has he has
I mean, is it
to
really
get all
distinct?
4 of them in,
Is it bigger?
5 of them in. Yeah, there's already one, and then he's about to put another one in.
Yeah, this particular company.
And there's 3 more.
Oh, they marked it?
Which one the queen likes to be is on? So is there 3 queens, or is there 1 queen for everybody? There's 3 queens. Okay. The queen actually has a little dot on her back. Because they marked her.
You should step back, Julia. You're really not dressed for this. It's really not good. They fly
so
off.
Oh, yes.
they're kind of going over the boxes, but over the beehives.
I know, Abby, you know when they sting you, they die.
Hives, but
So we don't want to kill them because we don't want to kill them.
oh, this one seems to be, the one he's pulling out seems to be looking pretty good.
Oh, I forgot about the smoker, honey.
Yeah,
But
you really need it. What are you?
Yeah, they don't need
You're
it.
almost done with that one.
so there they are. The other.
The smoker
they were
makes
just
them
doing that
all
one,
kind of go together?
That one.
The smoker makes them all, I think there's a fire,
2.
and they all go grab a bunch of honey, and then they're all basically drunk on honey. I've heard that before.
On top of
It's
them.
bad though. It takes a ton of honey.
So
It does, but they use
this is for our farm, and then we also have
He's being really gentle, and that helps us be cool.
we actually also have some construction workers here building a house.
Well, the other thing about it is,
A house
I don't
for
want
us.
if I accidentally kill the queen right now by like rubbing these together, that's it. This hive is done. Wow. So you want to be gentle.
But
I didn't see her yet.
so we are
Eric's not a bee guy.
doing this. We have chickens. We have
I've seen them
plants.
literally jump from 6
Over there's our
8 or 8 foot
plants.
ladders because there's like a honeybee.
Over there is our chicken coop.
Oh, really? I'm like, guys.
That's our farm. We
Gary's
don't have. Well,
horrible.
that's where we have our tractors
Eric's allergic to
and
bees. Or
stuff in our
Gary's allergic to bees. Eric's
mowers
not.
They're
and
in the
stuff.
other one.
Mark is actually allergic to bees.
Is he? Not heavily. Just.
Yeah.